Today we are combining croissants and eggs to get a simple yet delicious breakfast recipe. Now to speed up the recipe, we've got here 2 ready-made croissants, one for each portion. And the first thing that we want to do is cut them in half, horizontally. Now set the pan on medium-high heat, and to this we're going in with about 10 grams of butter. Now while the butter is melting, get in 2 whole eggs, add in a pinch of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Beat the eggs very well, and now we can go into the pan. We're following with our croissants. Now before we can flip it, we need to wait for the bottom layer to set. This shouldn't take longer than about 3 minutes. As soon as we flip this, we're going in with the cheese, mozzarella, cheddar, or whichever you prefer. And I also want to add a few slices of ham. And now bring this together. And if you enjoyed this simple recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more very simple recipes like this.